Hi, today I want to show you how I like to clean the bristles of my paintbrush, removing the oil paint. Now many of us do use odorless mineral spirits, which is a wonderful way to go, but what I want to show you is a very affordable alternative that not only cleans the bristles, but it also conditions the bristles, keeping them very moist and supple. And the oil that I like to use is walnut oil. Now this is a walnut oil you would purchase at your grocery store. I think this bottle is about $6 and it's very affordable. You wouldn't use it to paint with, mind you. Leave that up to the beautiful walnut oils made by fine art companies. But this is wonderful to clean the bristles of your brush and condition the bristles at the same time.
You don't need to use very much oil. You can see I just use a small amount. And I do like to wipe my brush off first to pull some of that oil off the bristles. And then I will dip the paintbrush into the oil and wipe it off probably 5 or 6 times before it's clean. So this cleaning technique, of course, cleans the bristles and conditions them, and I find that my brush is in really good shape for my next painting session.